Triple A-ers, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our family's channel. To our 119 subscribers, thank you so much for the support, and please continue to watch and like our tutorial videos. And to those who hasn't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel now, because you will learn a lot of helpful tutorials here in this channel. Thank you in advance. Alright, so let's go straight to the point now. Today I'm going to share with you a very helpful mobile phone application that will help you receive points automatically converted to cash and can be withdrawn through your GCash app or PayPal. For as low as 2,000 points, you will earn $0.02 going to your PayPal account or GCash account. So the app that I'm talking about here is no other than Buzzbreak. So again, Buzzbreak is a mobile application where you will receive gifts or points that can be converted into cash, and the cash can be withdrawn in PayPal or GCash, which is in a very easy way. So for as low as 2,000 points, you will earn $0.02 going to your PayPal or GCash account if you are here in the Philippines. So before anything else, you can use my code B13673125. Hold on, let me show you the app first. So here is my referral code, B13673125. You can use that code. So the benefits that you will receive if you're using the code is that you will receive 1,100 automatic points. So you will just need 900 points to go so that you can withdraw in Buzzbreak. So also, they will offer you a huge amount of points for first-time users so that you can cash out easily. By the way, I'm using my phone here because this app is not available on the desktop. You need to use your phone. So again, Buzzbreak is a mobile application where you can read news, funny memes, and many more. They are also giving you gifts which can be converted into money. So when you click on the gifts button, I'll show you. This is supposed to be the gift button, the one that I clicked, the 2 times button, but today is a double day. That's why I'm receiving 300 points per click. That will refresh every 30 minutes. So this 2 times button here is supposed to be the gift button. So you can just earn 150 points by default if it's not a double day. But today is a double day. That's why I received 300 points. So it will refresh every 30 minutes. Just look at that. It refreshed already. So I'll just click on that again and receive another 300 points. So the first thing that you should do is to, of course, download and install the app on your phone. You can just go to your Play Store. Just search Buzzbreak in Play Store. Search Buzzbreak in Play Store, and it will be shown at the top directly. Buzzbreak. There. See, I installed the app already, so it shows open. So that's where you can find Buzzbreak. Just download it. You can sign up using your Facebook account. In my case, I used my Facebook account to log into Buzzbreak. Or you can also use your Google account. Let's just assume that you have signed up and used the referral code B136. What's my referral code again? 136733125. After that, you can click the yellow gift button every 30 seconds, so you will earn 150 points. So every hour, you will also have bonus points to earn, which is bigger than that of the gift button. So you can also read every news article being uploaded there to receive 300 points per news article, and then watch every single video there to earn 200 points per video watched. So I'm gonna show you how I earn points, aside from of course inviting your friends here in this application. I'll go to home, click on the gift button, supposed to be gift button, but right now it's double day, so it shows 2 times. So you can read articles just like this. Scroll down, wait for that loading, what do you call that? Wait for the page to finish, or for that circle book button to finish loading, and then you can scroll down, and there, you just earned 600 points. By default, if it's not double day, you can only earn 300 points, but that's already big. So read another article. Slow down when you're reading, so that, because it will stop loading if you won't scroll anymore. Like that, I stopped scrolling, so there, it stopped also. So I need to go on and scroll and scroll. There. There. Another 600 points. So you can read articles, a lot of articles that you want, as many as you want, for you to be able to earn points. So next, I'm gonna show you, if I watch videos, how much can I get. It's kind of loading. There is a gift button, and let's just wait for it to finish loading so that we can click on it. There, 200 points per video. Another video. Yeah, my internet is kind of slow right now. I don't know why. But yeah, every video watched is equivalent to 200 points, so it's not bad. Then you can click on the button again for you to earn 200 points. And then you can watch as many videos as you'd like. This one that I clicked is the hourly gift button. So this button right here at the top right corner of Buzzbreak is offering you like 960 points per hour if you click on it. So how much can you possibly earn? Well, you can actually earn as many points as you like, depending on how determined you are in earning money. And the trick here is that you can invite your friends or share Buzzbreak, and you can earn bigger points than just reading articles and watching videos. Invite at least 5 friends that you sure are active Buzzbreakers, and you will be able to cash out much sooner. So I'll show you. See? Get to there. Notice your friend must log in via Facebook, otherwise you will not get the bonus. So for the first referral bonus, it's 20,000 bonus points. Second is 35,000. And I already invited 3 friends, so that's why I already received a total of 55,000 bonus points. So there. You can also earn points if ever you use my referral code. You can actually get automatic points if you use a referral code, because Buzzbreak will not give you any points, any additional automatic points if you won't use any referral code available from a Buzzbreaker. So again, my referral code is B13673125. Don't forget, so that you can earn automatic points. When to withdraw your points. In my case, I withdrawn 1 peso from Buzzbreak through GCash right away to see if the app is really legit. So after 48 hours, it directed right away to my GCash app. So I continued using it, and at this time, I'm almost on my 4th cash out already from Buzzbreak. So actually, I opted for 4 point something peso per cash out. I'll just show you. Wallet, and then right now I have 7.43 pesos. That's 154,490 points. So my total cash out, as you can see, is 10 peso and 55 cents. Here's how you can cash out, by the way. First cash out is 1 peso. You can cash out this amount for only once, and then you can opt to cash out 4 pesos and or 24 pesos. That's 4 peso 0.81 cents is 0.10 dollars, and then 24.06 pesos is 0.50 dollars. You cannot cash out on Sundays, by the way, guys. So right now I have 7.43 pesos. I'm gonna cash out using my GCash app. You can just click cash out. You will receive the cash out within 48 hours. There. So it will just go directly to your GCash app. You don't need to worry about it. So this is my payment proof, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's already my 4th cash out from this legit application. So if you're looking for this proof, then you found it. It's not really that much, but it is just fun to play with it compared to just reading news articles on Facebook that doesn't even pay you after reading, right? So if one of you tried withdrawing your points and didn't receive it, you can still contact their support. Just email them and they will respond to your concern. And also, please do let me know in the comment section if you have withdrawn your points and how much have you received. So, also, how you can enter my referral code. You can invite friends again to earn more points. See, earn 66,000 points for inviting each friend. That's a big point already. It's a double day today, guys, so don't miss your chance. You need to download Buzzbreak today and enter my referral code right here, B13673125. It is in this part actually where you can enter the referral code of other Buzzbreakers so that you can earn automatic points. But I already entered a referral code from my friend. That's why it doesn't appear here anymore. But if you're a first-time user of Buzzbreak, it usually appears here. Enter blah 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 referral code, something to earn automatic points, and then you can input the referral code B13673125 so that you can earn automatic points and you can withdraw from Buzzbreak. So, question, is Buzzbreak legit or a scam? What do you think? I am on my 4th payout already. My answer is legit. They are paying you money once you have reached the minimum points of withdrawal. So, that's just it. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, if you have used the referral code, and let me know how many points you have received so we can help other buzz breakers. Comment down also your referral code so that people can see it and use it. Alright, let's help each other. I highly recommend this app to stay-at-home moms, or to people who have nothing much to do during this pandemic. Stay safe, Triple A-ers, and have a great day. Bye.